Hey guys, this is Sudhit. Welcome back to the channel, and today's video I'm going to review one product, and it's this product. Check it out. It's Vogue AF. I'll be reviewing this product, and I'm going to share my experiences. And is it a good product? Should you buy it or not? Are there any disadvantages, any side effects by taking this product, and what are the advantages and benefits? So I'll be covering each and everything. Don't skip the video, watch till the end, and you'll get to know everything that you guys need to know about this product. So let's get started. So first of all, we'll go through the label, right? I'll share the label with you, and I'll discuss what are the basic ingredients and why is it a good product or bad, if it's so. So then I'll share my experiences, how it affected me, in a good way or in a bad way, right? So let's move on to it first. So let's check the ingredient label, right? So first of all, you can see in the label, in the top, it is written begin with half scoop, right? It's also given a warning, high stimulant. So let's check the ingredient label. So it has one scoop contains 7 gram. It has 30 servings, quite a good amount. Basically every pre-workout has around 30-35 servings, good pre-workout basically. Then it has sodium, good thing, vitamin B12. Then it has citrulline mallate, right, 2:1, and it has 4000 mg of citrulline mallate. It has around 4 grams of citrulline mallate. That's a very good thing. Many pre-workout companies has 2000 mg of citrulline mallate, and it has given in one scoop it has 4000 mg. That's a very good amount, right? And citrulline mallate gives you the endurance, that crazy pump. Citrulline mallate helps you in getting that pump, right? So then the second thing, it has beta alanine. It has around 2000 mgs. That's a good thing, good amount. It improves your athletic performance. It helps in building lean muscle mass. If your diet is proper, if your nutrition, if your workout is proper, then it helps you in 1-2% in just gives you an edge in increasing your muscle mass, lean tissue muscle mass. Then it has caffeine. Caffeine is a bit okay, 200 mg. Many companies give around 300, 400 also. So caffeine is a good amount. 200 mg is quite a good amount, because if you are seeing only caffeine in a pre-workout, that's not a pre-workout, right? A pre-workout should always contain citrulline mallate, beta alanine, caffeine. These three are the main ingredients, right? A pre-workout, a basic pre-workout should have. Then there are many other ingredients. It depends on the depends on brand to brand what they're providing, how to make that pre-workout even more potent, more powerful, right, to boost your athletic performance. So let's move on to the fourth one, that is taurine. So basically, what does taurine do, right, in a pre-workout? Taurine basically helps in reducing your fatigue level by quite a lot amount, and it also increases your fat burning process and decreases your muscle damage during the workout, right? Taurine helps you a lot, and it plays many vital roles in your body. That's other topic. Right now I'm talking about the pre-workout, so we will not go to that topic about how it works in your body and that kind of stuff. So let's move on to the fifth one. It is Himalayan rock salt, and that's a very good thing. I also used to take coffee with some amount of Himalayan rock salt. Then we have the most important compound, dendrobium. Yes, and they have also given in the left side about what is dendrobium. So let me tell you what is dendrobium. Dendrobium is basically one kind of substance. It is one kind of herb. It is used in making of DMA. DMA is 1,2-dimethylamine. This is a banned substance like ephedrine. Ephedrine is also banned. So since it's a banned substance, and dendrobium, dendrobium is used in the production of DMA. So that's why this product is banned in some countries. And we have synephrine. This is also a very potent, stimulant, very potent. And synephrine helps in losing fat. It also helps in boosting performance. It reduces your inflammation. There are a lot many. This product contains both. Both are individually very potent stimulant, right? And combining the two powders in one mixture makes you even more potent stimulant. So before moving further, let me tell you one thing. Do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time. As you can see, I'm uploading I have been more frequent these days, and I'm uploading a more shorts, more long videos. So do support, guys. It motivates me a lot. So let's talk about what estrogen does, right? So estrogen also does the same. It helps in improving athletic performance. It helps in increasing your muscle mass and losing fat by 2%. You know, it also gives you an edge. It helps in your body composition, improving your body composition. It helps in producing more amount of ADP in the mitochondria, right? So these are the estrogens usage, and it has around 25 mg. That's quite a bit good number, 25 mgs. And what Actogen does is Actogen basically helps in removal of the old cells in your body and replenish with newer cells in the body at a very fast rate. And it also helps in faster muscle recovery and less soreness in your body after a training session. So this is the basic label of OKF, and right now I'll be sharing with you my experience. So first of all, the day when I took the first half, I started with half scoop, right? Right now I can take 1 scoop, but still it's very heavy. I've been training for 4 years right now, and I took this product around, it's been 3 months I've been taking this product. And the first day when I took this product, I started with half scoop. And the first day there was redness in my whole body. My chest was fully red. My chest was my back was fully red. My neck was fully red. There are red spots in it, and it also elevated my blood pressure by a lot. I felt that, and my body temperature was shooted at the next level because I was so sweating at a lot. I was sweating a lot, and the most important thing is that it causes you irritation to a next level. It was itching a lot. So that's one side effect of taking it. It doesn't stay for a long time, but yeah, it gives you a very good pump, and it also helps you for longer. You can work out for a longer period of time if you're taking 1 scoop, half scoop. I would recommend you start with half scoop. If you're a beginner, don't take it. Go for other pre-workouts. There are many pre-workouts. And if you're an intermediate athlete, or if you've been working out for 1 year, then you can go for this product, but start with 1/4, not half also, 1/4. Cost you around 2500, 24 to 2500. It depends from whom you're buying it. The pump that it gave, besides the itching and redness, the pump that it gave, it's quite good. It's very good. I have also used Mr. Hyde. I have also used Psychotic Gold. They also have the same. They are also in the same range as it is, around 2600, and they also don't give that much of pump. And not only my partner, my 2 partners have also took this workout. They also had the same thing, itchiness. Their body was itching. They have irritation, and the third one is they have redness in their skin. So it's a common thing when you're using this product, right? This is the video, guys, and comment me below if you have ever used this product, and do give us a thumbs up. Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye, guys.